Looking for convenience and portion control? The best automatic cat feeder for 2 cats ensures each pet gets timely, measured meals. With programmable settings and a durable design, mealtime is stress-free for you and your furry friends. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. PETLIBRO 2.4G Wi-Fi 2 Cat Feeder. The PETLIBRO 2.4G Wi-Fi 2 Cat Feeder is a smart and versatile solution for households with 2 cats, offering seamless control through its app-compatible system. Designed to work with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, this feeder provides a stable connection, allowing you to schedule meals and monitor feeding activity from anywhere using your iOS or Android device. With a generous 5-liter capacity, it supports up to 10 meals per day, with customizable portions ranging from 1 to 50, ensuring that each cat receives the appropriate amount of food. The dual bowl design prevents competition, giving each cat its own space to enjoy meals peacefully. The PETLIBRO feeder also features an adjustable meal splitter, which allows portion customization for each bowl to meet the individual dietary needs of your pets. One unique aspect is its personalized voice calling, enabling you to record a 10-second message per meal to comfort and guide your cats at mealtime. In addition, the feeder prioritizes freshness with a built-in desiccant and sealing strip to keep food dry and safe, while the food-grade stainless steel bowls are hygienic and easy to clean. The patented rotor and twist lock lid prevent food theft, ensuring that each cat only gets its designated portion. Number 2. PETLIBRO RFID 2 Cat Feeder. The PETLIBRO RFID 2 Cat Feeder is designed to provide precise feeding for 2 cats, particularly when dietary restrictions or special meal plans are necessary. Unlike standard feeders, this model uses unique RFID collar tags to recognize each cat individually, ensuring the correct pet receives its intended meal. This feature is particularly useful for multi-cat households, where one cat may require medication, weight management, or a special meal plan. The dual-cat system operates independently but simultaneously, allowing both cats to eat at the same time without interference. The in-app controls make it easy to schedule up to 10 meals daily with up to 48 portions per day and monitor feeding patterns in real time. Pet owners can access detailed feeding logs through the PETLIBRO app, making it simple to track who ate what, when, and how much. The RFID-controlled lid and bowl shield prevent food stealing, maintaining fairness and reducing stress between pets. Dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensures a stable connection, giving you reliable remote access and instant notifications. Easy programming and setup make it user-friendly for busy owners, and the feeder's robust design ensures longevity and durability. By combining smart technology with practical multi-cat functionality, the PETLIBRO RFID feeder guarantees a stress-free feeding experience. Number 3. Frienhund 5G Wi-Fi 2 Cat Feeder. The Frienhund 5G Wi-Fi 2 Cat Feeder offers convenience, control, and safety for 2-cat households, making feeding both pets a stress-free task. This feeder works with the SmartLife app on iOS and Android, allowing pet owners to manage meals remotely. You can set up to 30 meals per day with 1 to 12 portions per feeding, ensuring your cat's dietary needs are fully met, whether you're at home or away. One of the feeder's standout features is the slow feeding mode, which dispenses food gradually at 1 portion per minute to reduce choking, bloating, and obesity caused by rapid eating. The design also prioritizes comfort for multi-cat families. The 2 feeding bowls are placed 18.7 inches apart to prevent competition and create an enjoyable dining space for each cat. Dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensures reliable connectivity, eliminating compatibility issues and supporting seamless remote control.
The feeder allows pet owners to check detailed feeding history, reward pets with on-demand feeding, and share app access with family members. This makes it an excellent solution for households with busy schedules or frequent travel. Its large capacity ensures your cats are fed for extended periods without requiring constant refills, while the hygienic design and easy-to-clean components maintain optimal food quality. The Frienhund feeder combines innovative technology with thoughtful multi-cat functionality, helping to prevent stress and unhealthy eating habits among pets.
Number 4. Oneisall 5-liter Cat 2 Cat Feeder. The Oneisall 5-liter Cat 2 Cat Feeder is a practical and efficient solution for 2-cat households, emphasizing peace, portion control, and convenience. Its unique opposing bowl design places each feeding area 16 inches apart, minimizing competition and ensuring a calm mealtime experience. The feeder accommodates larger kibble, supporting cat food up to 0.7 inches, 18 millimeters in diameter, and has a 5-liter capacity, which can hold enough food for 2 adult cats for up to 10 days. Portion control is precise, with one portion equaling approximately 8 grams, and the feeder allows up to 6 meals per day. This ensures each cat receives consistent servings, promoting healthy dietary habits. The device is straightforward to operate, with 44% of users highlighting its user-friendly dial setup for scheduling meals. Scheduled feeding keeps cats on a regular routine, which can reduce begging or overeating. The dual power supply ensures uninterrupted operation. 3D batteries provide backup during power outages, maintaining feeding consistency. The durable design and easy-to-clean bowls enhance its practicality, making it suitable for busy households. Overall, the Oneisall 5-liter Cat 2 Cat Feeder combines simplicity, reliability, and thoughtful design to support multi-cat homes. It addresses common challenges like food competition and dietary management while offering a flexible and low-maintenance feeding solution. This feeder is an ideal choice for pet owners seeking a dependable, efficient, and safe automatic feeding option for 2 cats, helping to ensure healthy, stress-free meals every day. Number 5. PAPIFEED Dispenser 2 Cat Feeder. The PAPIFEED Dispenser 2 Cat Feeder is a feature-rich, Wi-Fi-enabled automatic feeder designed to accommodate 2 cats while preventing competition and ensuring precise meal management. With the ability to schedule up to 10 meals per day, each offering up to 12 portions, the feeder allows remote feeding and real-time monitoring through its app. The dual-bowl anti-competition system releases food simultaneously into 2 separate bowls, ensuring a calm, stress-free dining experience for both pets. It also supports dual power operation, running on a 5V1A adapter with 4 AA batteries for backup in case of power interruptions. The transparent 7-liter container holds 29 cups of dry food, making it suitable for extended periods without refills, while the detachable stainless steel bowls are dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Quick, tool-free installation allows pet owners to set up the feeder in under a minute. Its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi compatibility ensures a stable local connection, while cloud-syncing feeding records give a complete view of each cat's diet history. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.